the first step is to remove the main arms off of the machine.
With the small screws
With
only.
the small screws only.
Which I could have used both hands.
All right. Now you take that off. And so now we want to put the cap driver on. And it goes on with the bowl facing out.
Okay.
And so slide it on the arm. Now there are 2 screws, large screws at the bottom on either side. You want to make sure those are down. You don't take them all the way out. And do the same on both sides. And the plate that screws into needs to rest on top in the groove.
Right.
And make sure it's all the way to the back, and then screw it in tight. So you see the groove that fits up into?
Mm-hmm.
That side is done, and now we want to do that side.
Is it?
Okay. Now, after these are in there tight, we want to add the 2, we want to adjust the top plate to where the little knobs go in, and then you screw in the 2 little screws on either side. And that is how you attach the cap frame driver.